restrictions on practicing face yoga. In fact, it's beneficial practice for people of all ages. It can help to improve circulation, reduce tension in the muscles, and promote relaxation. It is especially helpful for those who are looking to improve the appearance of fine lines or wrinkles, or who want to maintain youthful and a healthy appearance of face. So, no matter what age you are, you can start practicing face yoga and enjoy its many benefits. It's absolutely evident that practicing face yoga gives extremely good results, though we need to keep certain things in mind. It's beneficial, first of all, yes, for improving the tone and appearance of the facial muscles. However, it's important to note that the effects of face yoga may vary from person to person and may not be as dramatic as those achieved through the certain invasive treatments like Botox or facial fillers. Some people may see the noticeable results after practicing face yoga regularly for a period of time, while others cannot see such a change. Anyway, while practicing for a long period of time, the results will be seen 100%. We need to keep in mind also that practicing face yoga is not a total replacement of proper skincare or healthy lifestyle. Anyway, it can be a wonderful addition to these routines. There is no best time for practicing face yoga. It can be done any time of the day that is convenient, of course, for you. Some people find it's very nice to start practicing face yoga the first thing in the morning, as it helps to energize and awaken the face, while others prefer to practice face yoga at night to relax and unwind before bed. As for how often to practice face yoga, it is generally recommended to do it at least few times a week. Those you can choose to do it every day if you really enjoy this practice and you have time for that. Anyway, it is very important to note that you need, first of all, to listen to your body, not to press, not to push too much, and of course you will enjoy this practice and do the best for you and your face.